I'm Patricia Teteregoh from grade 8C. Every city has its own story. So now I will tell you the story of my city. Moopo! 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 Grandpa! Please, Grandpa! Please! Oh. No, Nondo. Not this time. Ladies and gentlemen, judges and audience, this is the legend of Moopo bird. A long time ago, in Minahasa, lived an old man with his grandson. His grandson's name was Nondo. The old man really loved Nondo. Nondo was a nice and diligent boy. When his grandpa went to the jungle to get some firewoods, Nondo just stay at home and take care of the house. I must clean this house, so later, when Grandpa comes, he will so happy. Okay. Na 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 na. But actually, Nondo really want to go to the jungle. But, however, his grandpa never allowed him. Nondo was lame. He could not walk well. His grandfather go to the jungle in the morning and return back to home in the afternoon. In the evening, just before bedtime, his grandfather tell anything that happened in the jungle. Oh, Nondo, my beloved grandson. Do you know, Nondo, in the jungle there are so many flowers. There are animals that was so amazing. You will like it. Huh? Wow! Really, Grandpa? Nondo say in his heart. I will ensure my grandpa, so one day I will see the animals with my eyes. On a one day, Nondo could not hold his feeling anymore. He begged to his grandfather. Grandpa, please, Grandpa. I want to follow you just for this time only. Please, I promise. His grandfather doesn't want to disappoint his beloved grandson. So, after thinking deeply, then he said, Oh, okay, Nondo. You can join me. But you must promise that you will always be near me. I will bring the woods so I can see you all the time. What? Thank you, Grandpa. I promise I'll always be near you. While walking to the jungle, and Nondo is singing, na 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 la 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 la. What? Oh, hello, monkeys. Wow, butterflies. Is it a bird? Then Nondo's grandpa remind Nondo. Nondo, keep walking and follow me. Don't stop. Oh, okay, Grandpa. But sadly, Nondo ignores his grandpa's warning. Nondo was lost. They were separated. Nondo tried to cry, and Nondo was so confused. Grandpa, where are you? Grandpa, don't leave me here. Don't leave me alone. At the same time, but in different place, his grandpa just realized that Nondo was lost. Huh? Nondo? Where are you? Nondo? Nondo? My grandson? Nondo? His grandpa kept calling. But they didn't hear each other. Nondo's grandpa decided to go home, hoping that Nondo is already at home. But when he arrived at home, he found nothing. In the early morning, his grandpa go to the jungle again. He want to find Nondo. But when arrived to the jungle, his grandpa see a bird. A bird make a sound like Moopo, Moopo. And he looked at the feet of the bird. It was slim. The old man tried to cry. He cried because his beloved grandson already changed into a bird. Since then, they call it Moopo bird. It can be found in Minahasa, North Sulawesi. The moral of this story is everything has its own rule, so don't break the rules. If we break it, we got a consequence.